Hello everybody, and today's our session is about fractions. Student, what is fraction? What do you mean by fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of whole. Whole. See better. For example, this is our whole part. WHOLE whole, which is our whole part. This whole part, let me divide into parts. See, let me divide into parts. So initially it was a whole part. I divided this whole part into four parts. See, let me divide. Let me shade one part. Let me shade one part. This part I shaded, and that fraction is that out of four parts I shaded one part. So the fraction is what? 1 by 4. So what is the definition of fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of whole. It is a part of whole. So this part is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is called, which is our fraction in 1 by 4. So this line is called fractional bar. That line is called fractional bar. Okay, here 1 is above the fractional bar. So the upper part is called numerator. Upper part is called numerator, and the down part is called denominator. Okay, in fraction 1 by 4, 1 is called numerator and 4 is called denominator. So fraction is nothing but it is a part of whole. Okay, for example, this is our rectangle. Let me divide this rectangle into 6 parts. Okay, let me shade this rectangle. Totally, this whole part I divide into 6 parts. Total number of parts are 6. Among those, how many parts I shaded? I shaded only 3 parts. So the fraction is what? 3 by 6. In 3 by 6, what is 3? So 3 is called numerator. And what is 6? 6 is called denominator. Okay, this is about fraction. Now, let us discuss about types of fractions. What are the types of fractions? Types of fractions. Types of fractions. So the first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. What do you mean by proper fraction? Proper fraction is nothing but a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Listen, let me write few examples. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, etc. Observe here, In fraction 2 by 5, 2 is numerator and 5 is denominator. In fraction 3 by 7, 3 is numerator, 7 is denominator. In fraction 4 by 9, 4 is numerator, 9 is denominator. If you observe, in all these fractions, all the cases, numerator is always less than the denominator. See here 2 is less than 5, here 3 is less than 7 and 4 is also less than 9. So what do you mean by proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator, then that type of fractions are called proper fraction. Okay, coming to our next fraction, which is our improper fraction. Improper fraction. What do you mean by improper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator, which is exactly opposite to proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is less than the denominator, but improper fraction is nothing but numerator is greater than the denominator. See here, let me write few examples of improper fraction. Improper fraction, for example, 9 by 5, 7 by 4, 5 by 3, etc. You observe here denominator is 9, which is greater than here numerator is 9, which is greater than denominator, that is 5. Here numerator is 7, which is greater than the denominator, 4. Here numerator is 5, which is greater than the denominator, 3. So what do you mean by improper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator, then that type of fractions are called improper fraction. What beta? A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator, that type of fractions are called improper fractions. Now coming to mixed fraction. Our next fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. What do you mean by mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but it is a combination of whole and a part. It is a combination of whole and a part. It is a combination of whole and a part. See beta, for example 2 3 by 5 or 5 2 by 7, etc. If you observe here, in 2 3 by 5, this 2 is called whole part. It is a combination of whole and a part. In 2 3 by 5, 2 is called whole and this 3 by 5 is called a part. Understood students? In 2 3 by 5, 2 is called whole and 3 by 5 is a part. Similarly, in 5 2 by 7, 5 is called whole and 2 by 7 is a part. So this is about mixed fraction. Now the question is how to convert improper fractions into mixed fraction and how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. How to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? For example, our improper fraction is 9 by 5. Yes, which is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. So how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? So 9 by 5. So that is 9 divided by 5. 5 table, 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 which is equal to 4. Okay, first you have to write quotient. Our quotient is 1. Our quotient is 1. Then you have to write remainder. I mean we have to come like this. First we have to write quotient. Then we have to write remainder. This is our remainder. And this is our quotient. And this is our divisor. So that is 1 4 by 5. See, try to see here which is our improper fraction. This improper fraction I converted into mixed fraction. So this 1 4 by 5 is our mixed fraction. So 9 by 5 is improper fraction. This 9 by 5 I convert into mixed fraction. For example, one more example, 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2. So that is 5 divided by 2. 2 table, 2 twos are 4. That is 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. Now what we have to write first? First we have to write quotient. Then we have to write remainder by divisor. Right? That is equal to 2 1 by 2. So in this way we can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now the question is how to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, for example, our mixed fraction is 2 3 by 5. Mixed fraction is 2 3 by 5. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Listen carefully. We have to multiply this denominator 5. We have to multiply 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Then plus this 3. Better, first we have to multiply this denominator 5 with the whole number part 5 into 2 and then add it to numerator, that is plus 3 divided by 5. So 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 by 5, that is 10 plus 3 which is equal to 13. So 13 by 5. See now, this is our mixed fraction. This mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction. For example, one more example, 5 3 by 7. 5 and 3 by 7. Which is our mixed fraction? How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply denominator into whole number part. Denominator is 7 and whole number part is 5. So 7 into 5. Then add numerator into it. Numerator is 3 divided by our denominator is 7. So 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 by 7. So 35 plus 3, that is equal to 38 by 7. So here 5 3 by 7 is our mixed fraction, and we converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, this is the about how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. And we have two more fractions, that is like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What do you mean by like fraction? Like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What do you mean by like fraction and what do you mean by unlike fraction? Suppose you see here fractions. Our fraction is 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and so on. You observe here the fraction is 3 by 4, 2 by 6, 3 by 7 and so on. So what do you mean by like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions in which denominator is same. What do you mean by like fraction? Like fraction are nothing but the fractions in which denominator is same. You can observe here in fraction 2 by 5 denominator is 5. In the fraction 3 by 5 denominator is 5. In the fraction 4 by 5 again denominator is 5. You can see all the denominators are same. That is 5 here. A fraction in which all the denominators are same are called like fractions. See here 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are called like fractions. Now coming to unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are nothing but they are the fractions in which denominators are different. Denominators are different. You can see here the fraction is 3 by 4. In this denominator is 4 and here the fraction is 2 by 6 and the denominator is 6 here, and in the fraction 3 by 7 denominator is 7 here. Are they equal? Are the denominators are equal here? No, they are not equal. Hence they are called unlike fractions. I hope you understood today's session. Okay, in the next session we will discuss about what are how to add like fractions, how to subtract like fraction and unlike fractions. We'll discuss. Thank you.